how you play a hand cover, okay? The stick is gonna be the same. You take it like that, like the timbal stick, okay? So play like this. Don't play like that, okay? So here the point on the stick, you play right in the corner. Not here, not here. It's right here, not the middle. It's like 75% here. Okay. And when you play at the top. Okay. Or do you hand and you stick like that, not like here. No, here. And don't play no, no. You move, you aim like that. So let's go play 3-2. 3-2. Pa, 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 pa. Okay, one more time. Okay, I'm gonna count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and the 2 and the 3 and 4. In the 1 and the 2 and the 3 and 4. In the 1 and the 2 and the 3 and 4. So 3-2. Let's do 2-3. You start here one more time. But you have to do one more time here. If you play 3-2, it's this. 1 and 2. 2, 3. 1 and 2. 3-2. 1 and 2. 2, 3. 1 and 2 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. One more time. If you're going to do something like special or like solo and campana, you can put this finger like that and do it here. So now, I will play down 2, 3 and do something, okay? 1, 2, 3, like here or here. Okay, I'm gonna play a little one. Okay?